The header row is the top row that acts as a title for the type of information found in each column. When data spans multiple pages, the lack of a header row on subsequent pages can make it challenging to track the information. We may have to repeatedly scroll up to the top to understand the data. Adding a header row manually on subsequent pages can be a tiresome and error-prone task. Fortunately, Excel has a built-in option to repeat header rows on all the following pages. Go to the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click Print Titles. Ensure the Sheet tab is selected. In the Rows to Repeat at top text box, either type or select the referenced header row cells. The header row has been added to other pages. The header row can only be edited on the first page. To remove repeated header rows, open the Page Setup. In the Rows to Repeat at top field, clear cell references.